About Uber, it was always one of those things that seemed like it was a natural fit.
And ride-sharing services set to go live Thursday morning at midnight. 22 million, that's the number of uninsured Americans the Congressional Budget Office projects there will be by 2026 if the Senate health care bill gets passed, along with the Joint Committee on Taxation, also estimating the direct spending and revenue effects of the Better Care Reconciliation Act. And they predict the legislation would reduce the federal deficit by more than $300 billion by 2026. Now, earlier Monday, Republican Senate leaders added a provision applying to Americans who had a 63-day lapse in coverage. Now there would be a 6-month delay after purchasing health insurance to prevent people from waiting until they're sick to buy a policy. Some Republicans are calling for the vote to be delayed until after the 4th of July recess. Now, meanwhile, President Donald Trump saying he's confident it will pass. He also tweeted Monday saying, quote, "The Democrats have become nothing but obstructionists. They have no policies or ideas. All they do is delay and complain. They own Obamacare," end quote. And the healthcare discussion making its way closer to home tonight. A regional panel taking place in Hudson as part of Governor Andrew Cuomo's series on the future of healthcare in New York under the proposed legislation. According to the governor's office, nearly 2.7 million New Yorkers are at risk of losing their health insurance under the Senate Republicans' healthcare plan. Tonight's panel begins at 6 o'clock at Hudson Hall on Warren Street.
President Donald Trump is celebrating a victory.